There's a push in the legislature to pass an income tax on capital gains. Senate Bill 5096 passed the Senate and received a public hearing in the House several days ago. Can you tell us your concerns about this measure?
This bill forces an income tax on the people of Washington state. Washingtonians have rejected this 10 times to say no new taxes, no income tax, and the legislature is not listening. It's very frustrating. We see tax increases on healthcare, we see tax increases on cell phones, on gas, and we have to stop. We have a revenue surplus. We had a revenue forecast today, and we learned that there's $3.29 billion over the next 4 years revenue increase. And there's absolutely no reason whatsoever to raise taxes, especially on people after this long state of emergency and COVID pandemic.
In our last video, we discussed the state Supreme Court ruling that deemed Washington's law regarding drug possession as unconstitutional, and that resulted in legalized possession of drugs in our state. Can you give us an update of legislation you're preparing to address this issue?
We have a response to that, and unfortunately, the fallout of State v. Blake is going to be devastating. It's going to impact public safety for us and our communities, and it's not going to help those that we do care about who are suffering with substance abuse. We have a reaction to that. There's a series of 6 bills that will be packaged together, and they'll address ways to fix that the court didn't address. For example, there's no age prohibition, which says that a 10 or 12-year-old could be injecting heroin near a park or near a store, and law enforcement can't do anything about it. That's unacceptable. Also adds knowingly in the statute. It addresses the huge impact that this is going to have on city and counties, local law enforcement in order to comply with this. So we're really hopeful that at least this package will let people know that we've got to finish this work. If that's their ruling, then there needs to be a legislative fix to that to make it so that people aren't suffering. We do not have the infrastructure in Washington state to send all these people to get the substance abuse help that they need. And so to release them before that time is going to be a travesty for Washingtonians.
Where can the folks back home get more information on these bills and issues?
Just go to the website, representative.GinaMosbrucker.com. That will give you all the information. There's contact information on the screen. You can contact me there. And again, we really hope that you realize that you can testify remotely for the first time from Eastern Washington in the House of Representatives. So please just go to ledge.wa.gov and then put in participate in committee. And it'll link you right into the session. You can sign up and you can tell the story of why you support a bill or you oppose a bill. So we really hope you take advantage of that. Reach out if you have any questions. We'll walk you through it.